Do you often worry about have too many things to fit when you travel? This new vacuum compression backpack solves these problems for you. The built-in vacuum compression airtight bag greatly increases the storage capacity of the backpack. Pressed to exhaust the compressed space, it can also be used as a sealed bag. Traveling wet clothes, shoes and other items that are easy to smell can be packed inside to isolate the smell. It can be boarded without checking in, and the capacity is comparable to a 20-inch trolley case. It has a functional pocket in it which can be put into different travel items according to the needs. The USB charging interface. Waterproof fabric, no fear of travel in rainy days.